The way we teach computer science here at Ashoka is quite different and transformative.
CS at Ashoka is not a very straightforward journey.
Our CS degree is really complementary when you take it with biology or physics or entrepreneurship or economics.
We won't just teach. We'll do things like scavenger hunts, we'll have industry speakers come in, and we'll teach them to have the bravery to get into real research and publish in real journals.
I have also done a bit of hackathons. One I did with Microsoft. It was the application of AI to disabilities.
After a CS degree at Ashoka, there are multiple avenues open for students. There are software development jobs, there are jobs around data science, AI and ML. Some of my students, they are currently involved in higher studies at several universities abroad.
If you want to study computer science, no better place than Ashoka to do it.